Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Rafael Chekuris and today we're going to speak about 5 tips that I learned in the third semester of my final year. Our first tip for the day is the joy of talking for a better future. So as people they already see the videos or people they join right now, I spoke that I want to finish my degree in 2.1. But after my second year summer work finished, I will start getting the feeling that it was very amazing, that I gonna achieve it, but I was getting the feeling that I wanted to achieve even better. So for example, to get my excellent mark above 70 marks, that is in UK. It was really enjoyable to feeling that I already achieved 2.1 average in my second year. Now coming to the final year and be truly amazed that I actually achieved it, overjoyed that I get a summer work experience, that I learned so much about it, and also get the company that I work for to be a sponsor for my dissertation, and I was really excited about it, and I was really loving it. It was amazing joy, and I was talking with my girlfriend that now achieving that goal in the middle of the year, and I was so happy about it, and I'm seeing it that I'm gonna achieve it. Also, I started talking about that I'm gonna be able to get a first class also as a joke, and it was truly motivated. And the thing is that I want to share with you is that the tip of talking of even the best next level or the best what's gonna happen in the end of your goal, it's truly powerful because it motivates you even without knowing it. It's just joking around about it, actually giving the effort without actually feeling it. And that it made me a lot happy, and it made me truly enjoy even more my first semester in the third year. Now the second tip, it's about the joy of giving your best. We said the feelings along with different tips that we give in previous video. Now we're going to talk about the joy and how you need to get joyful around your feelings that you get. So basically when you give your best, it's amazing that you feel so energetic, so you accomplish a lot of things, but also don't forget to have enjoyment about it. Enjoy it, talk around, make different things so you can have fun and just enjoy the feeling of excitement and happiness. Not just rush the feeling, yeah, I accomplished it, let's go to the next step. No, take a breather and enjoy that feeling, make something to celebrate that feeling and enjoy it in yourself so you can be able to actually give yourself a nice thumbs up that you achieved and the next step, and also the joy of having, yeah, I succeeded and now I'm moving forward. That's gonna help you to create something amazing inside you, also a great motivation, but most of all, more about you, that you enjoy and get fully the joy of your journey to achieving your goal by moving step by step and enjoy every second of it. That is a grateful, powerful thing. For me, it was basically in the third year because everything that I was doing after a lot of summer work I did in my apprenticeship, it was amazing. I truly, every moment I enjoy even creating a simple code for doing a simple task, and it was very amazing. And I was sharing every time with my girlfriend that we live together at this point, and it was truly amazing to share it and enjoy in that moment. Even you give 2 minutes, 10 minutes to enjoy that achievement, it's truly make you more energetic, more happy around people, and you really have a smile until your ears. That is an amazing feeling to have. And truly, the joy is the best thing for you to motivate you and also keep you young and have power inside. It's truly enjoyable to just feel how much joy you have by your achievements. And that's why it's a great tip to have, a nice learning to have and knowing, because you just need to enjoy everything in life in every moment. And remember, future is gonna come, past is past. You live in the present, and that means you need to enjoy the present moment every time that is coming. Now, the third tip, it's about how we can get the power of words, help you to improve yourself and your life generally. Now, you see, the first and second tip, it was about the power of the words and the talk. And then the second one, it was about enjoying the best moments in your life and every time enjoy the present. Now, the third tip, what it's going to provide is, it's how much power the words you say in that moment actually is going to generate. How much power you're going to generate, how much feeling motivation is going to give you. Everyone knows that times is not having bones, but it's crushing bones. But also it is making the power to heal them, protect them, and make it even stronger if in a different way. The reason is by telling things like jokes that you maybe achieve something better in the future and tell it again and again, it's giving you a motivation, a feeling that you're actually gonna, maybe it's possible. And you start thinking and switching your mindset from negativity or just something that is so specific to something more powerful and more even greater than what you have been started. That is so much powerful. So for me, when I was, like I said, in the first tip, I was starting to joke around the idea of getting an excellent degree rather than 2.1. And in my first semester, it was becoming a lot of a joke a lot of the times, but it was coming up along the times. More times than I can count. I didn't even remember how much, but it was really amazing to bring in that topic up for me. It was making me fun and joyful. And what I found is, it was that in the literature, it was pushing me to actually make that happen. Even without even realizing in that point, it was pushing me to try to achieve that goal. And giving even not just my best, even the greatest best that I was never thought I can give. And it was very amazing on that one. And by enjoying every moment, like I tell in the second step, it was making that power of words even increase even more. And it was giving an amazing feeling to myself to actually moving step by step to greatest in my goal and also enjoy the present moment. So the power of words is something that is so much deeper inside of you, and it's a great thing to have a nice passion, fun and enjoyment behind every word you say, because it's actually giving you the power to move forward and even to upskill yourself and your goals to the next level that you believe that it was actually never gonna be possible. Our fourth tip is about how to make a decision. Based on the previous tips, you're having a lot of emotions, a lot of things you accomplish, but sometimes you're coming to some decisions that you never encounter, and sometimes you don't know if it's gonna say yes or no in that decision, or what is the correct answer for that decision. And what I truly suggest for that one and what's worked for me, it was just feel yourself in this moment. See a little bit in the future, what you believe it's gonna help you in the short and long term, but more about it, feel the feeling, what is gonna be if you choose X or you choose Z. What is gonna be the feeling they're gonna give you? It's gonna give you in a short-term happiness, and in the end it's gonna trim you down, that we don't want that, or it's gonna give you a long-term enjoyment, but you're gonna need to feel little stressful in the start. For me is that I was having that decisions coming around without even noticing them. And the best thing that I was doing, because I was following the 3 tips above, I was going based on my gut and feeling what's gonna be the best for me. And it worked very amazing, and it was truly joyful, because by going what you feel is gonna be right and see a little bit in the future how it's gonna affect you and what's gonna be the best, it truly made me have amazing, tremendous belief in myself that steps I'm taking, they are correct. So the power of decision is not coming for the best choice that other people they're gonna tell you, or they're gonna come from some spling of an eye conversation with friends that, yeah, that's gonna be the best because it's gonna give you that X, Y, Z in the future. No, it's coming more about your feeling, your gut feeling, what actually you need to decide and what you need to do to feel happy and enjoy for your life. Never base your decision in different other opinions. Base it based on your critical evaluation of that opinions. And that's why you can get more information out of it, get more distinctive feeling what's going to be the best for you, and then act on it. That is going to make you truly happy, because your decisions are going to be decisions that they grow your personal self, your professional self, and generally changing your life for the best. Now, the final tip of the day is that the power of planning. The power of planning is something that's so amazing, and it gives you a lot of power to move forward in your life and everything you do. In my university years, it was the first time I'm doing it in my third semester, because I was trying to plan my dissertation, and truly helped me to plan out how I'm gonna do it, what steps I need to take, what milestones I need to set up to actually achieve my final dissertation, writing and project in the same time. And as I was having a company to sponsor my project, it was even more excited. I needed to be more committed and more powerful in it. And I wanted to give my best, because really that company is giving me an amazing apprenticeship for the summer work. And it was truly, I wanted to go back and say, look, I did what you asked, and I created what you asked it for me for my dissertation, and also to achieve a great mark in my dissertation. That it was a very powerful thing to do. So by using the power of planning that they suggested in the dissertation plannings, it was an amazing thing. I was able to achieve it and finishing my dissertation project in the holidays of Christmas, when I was gone back to my home country and speak a little more about with the company, with the people there, and get more sorted codes around. And actually I did it, and it was a very exciting thing that I have done. And I was already using a lot of the knowledge that I learned in my summer work, and also passing it through all my third semester, and it was truly amazing. I made a great achievement by finding that apprenticeship, and by using the power of planning, I actually planned an amazing way and stages to create my dissertation, be at my best, and also able to finish before other people already start finishing their projects. And it would make me feel very achievable, because I was actually the person that I was feeling bad for myself in my second year, and now I'm feeling very full motivated and amazing and not left behind, by using that power of planning and staging my next steps for the future and how my dissertation is gonna go. And that, it's an amazing. And it's not just for the university. I also found it here in what now I'm working, that if I plan correctly, I can do a lot of things, even more things that I plan for. And that is truly amazing thing to have in your arsenal of motivation, strategies, and planning. It's the key for everything. I hope you enjoyed today's videos. If you do, please put a thumbs up on the video. If you are not already subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification button so you can get our latest video notification when they come out every Sunday. And left a comment below and tell us what you believe, what is your ideas about our video, and what else thought you like to see in our channel. I truly believe it was an amazing video today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and have an amazing day.